MLA from Maharashtra, Abu Azmi, has been suspended from the budget session of the House of the Assembly over his glorious praise for Mughal tyrant Aurangzeb. Abu Azmi has been suspended till the end of Maharashtra's ongoing budget session. Remember, there were protests in the Assembly and outside the Assembly yesterday. Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister had called Abu Azmi a traitor, and he was then forced to tender an apology. He tendered a conditional apology and then he retracted his statement. Today also, something very interesting happened. After he was suspended, he posted a reaction suggesting that he withdrew his statement as he wanted the Assembly to continue functioning, though he remained defiant, suggesting that he didn't say anything wrong. Then he had a photo frame of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the background when he was giving that reaction to the media. Then he got unconditional support from his party's chief Akhilesh Yadav, who hit out at the BJP, saying that the action against his party leader was actually an attempt to silence the truth. And that support from Akhilesh Yadav, viewers, empowered Abu Azmi further. And then he said that his suspension is actually injustice, not just to him, but millions of people that he represents. And this time, he didn't keep the photo frame of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj behind him. Listen in and spot the difference.
और आज मुझे खबर मिली कि मुझे इस पूरे सेशन के लिए इन्होंने निलंबित कर दिया है और मेरे पे केस भी फाइल कर दिया। मैं समझता हूँ कि ये क्या चीज़ है। ये एक जो है कोलारकर एक साहब हैं, क्या नाम उनका देखिए पूरा, कोलटकर साहब हैं, एक शोरापुरकर साहब हैं। इन लोगों ने तो ऐसे ऐसे अल्फाज बोले हैं महाराज के बारे में, छत्रपति महाराज के बारे में। मैं इन अल्फाजों को दोहराने की भी हिम्मत नहीं कर सकता हूँ और उनके ऊपर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। तो हमने जानबूझ के कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं बोला है। हमने वही चीज़ें बोली हैं जो हिस्ट्री में दर्ज है, जो वही बातें मैंने बोला है जो ऑन रिकॉर्ड मेरे पास है। उन बातों को बोलना अगर इतना बड़ा गुनाह है तो जो लोग ऐसी बातें बोल रहे हैं, जिन्होंने किताबें छापी हैं, उन पे कौन सी कार्रवाई हुई, उन पे कहाँ किताबें। अब मैं बात करूंगा, स्पीकर साहब से बात करूंगा।
असेंबली चले इसलिए मैंने अपनी कही हुई बातों को वापस लेने की बात कर दिया। मैंने कोई गलत बात तो किया नहीं था, लेकिन उसके बाद भी कि ये सब जो बवंडर चल रहा है, जो असेंबली रोकी जा रही है, असेंबली चले और बजट सेशन में कम से कम कुछ काम हो। कारपोरेशन इलेक्शन पिछले 3 साल से हुआ नहीं है, गलियां खराब पड़ी हैं, बहुत सारे काम रुके हुए हैं। इसलिए मैंने अपनी उन बातों को जो मैंने असेंबली में बाहर कहा था उसको मैंने वापस भी लिया है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी सस्पेंड किया गया।
And then he had given another reaction after Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav supported him. We'll get you that reaction of Abu Azmi as well in just a bit. Meanwhile, viewers, Samajwadi Party chief defended his own neta. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath came down heavily on Abu Azmi as well as Akhilesh Yadav. He called Abu Azmi kumbakt and said that such people have no right to stay in India. Listen in.
समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता, आपका विधायक घोषणा करो ना, उस कमबख्त को निकालो पार्टी से और उसको एक बार यूपी भेज दीजिए, बाकी उपचार हम अपने आप करवा लेंगे। जो व्यक्ति छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की परंपरा पर गौरव की अनुभूति करने की बजाय लज्जा महसूस कर रहा हो और औरंगजेब को अपना नायक मान रहा हो, क्या उसको भारत के अंदर रहने का अधिकार होना चाहिए क्या? और समाजवादी पार्टी को इसका जवाब देना चाहिए। एक तरफ आप कुंभ को कोसते रहे और दूसरी तरफ औरंगजेब जैसे दुष्ट और क्रूर, आखिर कौन सी नस ऐसी आपकी दबी हुई है कि आप लोग अपने उस व्यक्ति पर, उस विधायक पर नियंत्रण नहीं कर पा रहे हैं?
So you heard, viewers, what UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had to say. Let's now tell you what SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav had to say on what happened in Maharashtra today. Akhilesh Yadav had put out 2 posts on social media platform X, and he says that can ideology be the basis of suspension? He's clearly defending his own party's MLA. He says there is a difference between Swatantrata and slavery. He also said our MLAs and MPs are fearless in their wisdom, clearly trying to send a message that whatever you may do, these people are not going to stop. They are going to continue doing what they've been doing. In this case, they will continue to consider Aurangzeb, people like Aurangzeb as their idols, and they will continue to make these kind of statements. Akhilesh Yadav also said that suspension can't muzzle the voice of truth, clearly giving a warning that even if Abu Azmi has been suspended from the assembly for the current budget session of Maharashtra, that is not going to stop him. That's not going to muzzle the voice of truth. So he is in a way supporting, viewers, what Abu Azmi, his party's MLA, had said. He said that negative thinking and childishness to do so. Now that is in continuation to what he said earlier, that if you're thinking that suspension is going to make sure that Abu Azmi and other MLAs and MPs from Samajwadi Party are not going to make these kind of statements, then you are mistaken. Then it is childish. That's what Akhilesh Yadav says. Then he also towards the end mentioned, Azad Khayal hai aaj ka, nahi chahiye Bhajpa. So that was the point that Akhilesh Yadav was trying to make, in fact, in the post that he had put out. Let me now go across to my colleague Nilesh, who is joining us on the broadcast for more on this particular story. Nilesh, this clearly has become a big political issue as well. It began in Maharashtra, originated in Maharashtra, but now we are seeing ripples in Uttar Pradesh as well, in UP Assembly specifically. But Times Now was the first channel to pick this story, relentlessly questioned Abu Azmi. He was forced to apologize. But today, after seeing support from Akhilesh Yadav, he remained defiant, isn't it?
Well, yes, absolutely, and that is the impact of Times Network's relentless coverage that finally Abu Azmi had to extend his apology, though it more or less sounding like a conditional apology that he's extending, and it seems like he's doing a favor on the people of Maharashtra and whole of the assembly by stating that it is his concern that the assembly wasn't functioning and he does not want people to suffer, and which is why he is extending his apology. If anybody is hurt to his statements, he is extending the apology. But it is to be noted that the leader he is speaking of is Aurangzeb, and the leader he is opposing of is Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj and Shivaji Maharaj, who is no less than a deity for the people of Maharashtra. In fact, it is less of a political aspect, more of an emotional aspect that is currently the people of Maharashtra are experiencing, that they have been somewhat let down by such statements. Their pride had been targeted by Abu Azmi, and which is why leaders from the Mahayuti as well as from the Mahavikas Aghadi, that is the opposition, is also somewhat is criticizing Abu Azmi and his statement. Yesterday also Abu Azmi, while extending his apology, said that his demand for his suspension and the action is sounding more of a political issue. But yes, he needs to understand, which he is currently ignoring, that it is not a political aspect only, but an emotional point that he is ignoring. We also confronted him.
I'm just interrupting you there, requesting you to please stay on with us because we have more developments as far as the story is concerned. Now, viewers,